Okay, first of all, if you are still struggling to find a tempered glass for the LG Wing, well, there used to be some options before, but most of them are out of stock and some are there, but they are way too overpriced. So I purchased a couple of good options and got scammed on Flipkart once, and then I purchased this one on Amazon. And this one is not a tempered glass as such, but a film type screen protector, similar to what you get in the box with the LG Wing. So this one will not protect your device from drops as such, and I tried a lot to find a curved glass based one, but couldn't find any in stock. So for now, if you don't have anything applied on your device, this will protect it from basic scratches and marks as such, and won't provide any drop resistance, so keep that in mind. By the way, you can find a link to buy this one in the description area itself, and I'll update the links quite frequently as soon as I see some good options. So the screen protector that you get with the LG Wing in box was really bad for me in starting, and it was full of bubbles when I applied it. So it started getting better and better, and the bubbles are almost gone now. But for you guys, I'm going to rip this off and try this rompers one that I got from Amazon. So in the box you get a wipe and two film type screen protectors for top and bottom screen, and they look kind of weird, but the size and fit is fine as such. By the way, if you're applying it yourself, just make sure to leave no dust and clean the screen with a good microfiber cloth to remove all the dust, and use a given alcohol pads if that helps. Don't use that second piece of pad as it is just awful. So after cleaning the device, just align the top and bottom portion and apply the screen guard using a credit card or something. So do that swiftly in one go, and if you do it right, you won't be ending up with dust and bubbles like I did. But apart from the mistake I made, the screen protector covers the display totally, and the edges are also covered just fine. So make sure you remove any extra bubbles with a spare debit card or so, and it will work just fine. Similar is the case with that second display, though I find the second protector to be really short and not that good to be honest. But just in case you need some extra protection till a good brand or some other options become available, well, I would highly advise you to use the device carefully and apply this one or the one in box as you feel like. Also, as you can see, there are no issues with the proximity sensor and it works just fine. Similar is the case with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and that too works fine just like it did with the in-box one. So that's pretty much it for the screen protector for the LG Wing. And if I find some good options, I'll surely update the links in the description area itself. And that's it for now. Do like this video if you found it helpful, and tap on that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.